Welcome to Beautyistic, your trusted source for all things beauty and self-care. Today we're diving into a product that promises to transform your at-home spa experience, the Tea Tree Oil Foot Soak with Epsom Salt. This luxurious soak is designed to tackle everything from stubborn calluses to athlete's foot, making it a must-have for anyone seeking soft, refreshed feet, without the hefty price tag of a professional spa. The Tea Tree Oil Foot Soak stands out with its potent blend of Epsom salt and essential oils, including tea tree, eucalyptus, and peppermint. These ingredients aren't just thrown together. They're specifically chosen for their therapeutic properties. Epsom salt, known for its ability to soothe sore muscles, works in tandem with tea tree oil, which boasts antifungal properties perfect for combating toenail issues and athlete's foot. The addition of eucalyptus and peppermint oils enhances the overall experience by providing a refreshing, invigorating scent that lingers long after your soak. Setting up and using this product is a breeze. Simply dissolve the salts in warm water, and within minutes, you'll notice the soothing effects taking over. Your feet will thank you as the soak works its magic, softening calluses, reducing foot odor, and easing those end-of-day aches. It's gentle enough for all skin types, so even those with sensitive skin can indulge without worry. Performance-wise, this foot soak delivers on its promises. Whether you're dealing with nail discoloration or just want to unwind after a long day, the combination of Dead Sea salt and Epsom salt works wonders in rejuvenating tired feet. In a side-by-side comparison with similar products, the Tea Tree Oil Foot Soak holds its ground, offering a superior blend that's both effective and affordable. Pros? Plenty. This soak is made from natural ingredients, free from harsh chemicals, and crafted right here in the USA. The cons are minimal, but if you're someone who prefers a stronger scent, you might find the fragrance to be a bit subtle. However, its effectiveness more than makes up for it. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support helps us continue bringing you more honest reviews and helps others discover our content too. When it comes to value for money, the Tea Tree Oil Foot Soak is a solid investment. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but the quality of ingredients and the results it delivers justify the price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, you might consider basic Epsom salts, but you'll be missing out on the therapeutic benefits that this proprietary blend offers. Build quality is another highlight. The product is well packaged and comes with clear instructions, making it easy to store and use. Long-term, this foot soak holds up well, providing consistent results even after multiple uses. In conclusion, if you're in the market for an at-home foot treatment that combines the benefits of a spa with the convenience of your own bathroom, the Tea Tree Oil Foot Soak with Epsom Salt is a fantastic choice. Ideal for anyone from the casual user to the athlete in need of serious foot care, it's a product we'd highly recommend. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in trying this product out, you'll find the link in the description below. And as always, feel free to drop any questions in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts.